Welcome to this wonderful home located at 3780 Stoddard Avenue, Riverside, California. This beautifully remodeled home offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 800 square feet of living space on a large 8,712 square foot lot. Step inside and be greeted by a welcoming layout. The living room is inviting and spacious, ideal for relaxing with family or entertaining guests. This home is equipped with heating and air conditioning systems, ensuring comfort and climate control throughout the year. The upgraded kitchen is a true highlight, featuring stunning quartz countertops, brand new cabinets, a sleek double sink, new garbage disposal, a built-in microwave, and a 4-burner gas stove with an oven. The kitchen includes a convenient dining area, making it easy to enjoy meals in a warm, inviting space. Additional upgrades include a brand new entry door, back doors, and all interior doors. You'll love the fresh interior paint, luxurious vinyl flooring, and new Milgard dual-pane windows that enhance both style and energy efficiency. The first bedroom features a window that invites natural light and a lighting fixture adorned with a fan. Additionally, it has luxury vinyl flooring and features a closet for added convenience. Every ceiling fan and light fixture in the home is brand new, ensuring comfort and a modern touch. The bathroom has been completely updated, featuring water-saving fixtures and a newly installed bathtub with a shower, complete with convenient shelving for your toiletries. It also includes a brand new toilet, a stylish vanity with a sink, a modern ceiling light, and a new medicine cabinet for added functionality. The second bedroom is brightened by a window that lets in natural light and is complemented by a ceiling fan with a light fixture. It also features luxury vinyl flooring and includes a closet for added functionality. In the hallway, you'll find a linen closet perfect for storing towels, bedding, and other essentials, ensuring a neat and organized living space. The backyard features a spacious covered patio, ideal for hosting gatherings and enjoying meals with friends. For added convenience, there are 2 access points to the backyard, one from the kitchen and another from the living room. The backyard presents a plethora of opportunities for leisure and enjoyment, inviting you to embrace Southern California's stunning weather to the fullest. Whether you're indulging in gardening, losing yourself in a good book, or simply basking in the warm sun, this tranquil oasis provides the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. This home offers a convenient coat closet, perfect for keeping your outerwear and accessories neatly organized. The front yard is thoughtfully designed for low maintenance, making it easy to care for. Plus, the driveway and garage provide ample parking space for up to 3 cars. This home includes a 1-car garage with a door that provides easy access to the backyard. It boasts ample shelving for all your storage needs and offers convenient washer and dryer hookups. The garage also provides extra space for a workbench or additional storage, making it a versatile and functional part of your home. This home is perfect for first-time homebuyers or savvy investors looking to purchase in Riverside. Its prime location offers easy access to shopping, restaurants, and major freeways, including the 91, 60, and 215. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own an upgraded home at an excellent price. Call today and let us help make this house your home.